Yeah. Then we will move on to the writing part. Here we are covering the report writing and review writing. Two parts we are going to cover. So let's see what is report writing. We all know that the medical report, news report, academic report, every year they have to present one report like financial report. So this is one of the format. Whenever you are writing something, you have to follow such formats. So let us see what is a report writing. Report writing is a formal structure of writing some information in an adequate manner, organizing your data in a professional usage. So presentation, usage. So summarize your complete idea, data, whatever the things are there, you are organizing in such a manner that is comes under report. So first of all, the structure of a report should be with a title. What is that report? It is an annual report, a finance report, medical report, education report, whatever the report is, you should title it, you should name it. Then table of content, list the sections of subsections, page numbers. First, index page. Table of contents means index page. Then introduction that. In the section gives a brief overview of the topic, purpose and objective. So whatever the topic you have taken, you have to give the brief overview of. If you are taking a financial report of this academic, okay, recently we have completed a financial year, right? So financial report of one organization. So brief overview of what is the organization name and what is the overview, what is the budget of that. You are giving the complete idea of that. The report is presenting that the overall financial things over here. And method, explain the methods used for data collection, whatever the information you have collected, how you have collected, you have gone through research from HRs or employee engagement, how you have done this, you have to engage it, you have to collect the data and you have to put it in a right manner. So with this, and what are the observations you have out of this data, what are the observations you have, okay, present the data, finding clearly using the tables, because visual appealing is very important. Use the information in a clearly in a table format and the graph format so that it will be easy to understand. Then discussion, analyze the findings. If it is happened, you are showing in a graph manner. If you see this is a graph you are showing like this. So if it is happened like this, why it is happening? You have to analyze the key points. Okay, there is low admissions were there, something like that. And recommendation, if you want to overcome this situation, what are the suggestions and actionable action steps will be prescribed, okay, to overcome the challenge. You have to be added over here, then only the report is completed. So there are 8 steps are there to complete a report writing. Title, table of contents, index page, introduction, methodology and findings, results. Okay, these are the way you have to write. And you have a topic called reducing use of plastics in your institution, making your campus green. Likewise, you can write it. So review writing is something that how one can give a analysis of something, whether it is a book or a film or any particular things, whatever you feel. So how to write a review of a movie? Let's see. So let's see with a movie review. And to write about movie review, we take a short form of IDAE. So I means information, D for describe, A for analyze, and E for evaluate. So this is the format you have to follow. First we have to give the information of the movie title, director, cast, co-artist, and describe what is the theme, what is the objective of that movie, and what is the plot. What is the plot means what is the main challenge was faced by the characters. And analyze that. Analyze in the sense what is added value to the, if you see movie, it has a musical hit. Okay, if not, it is a graphic VFX hit. What is the added value over there? You can talk about dialogues, you can talk about music, everything you can analyze in the sense what is very good, what is add value to that movie. If not, what made that movie lasting engagement, you can track on this way. And evaluation in the sense overall the movie, how it is making the difference in people, or else how it is giving the complete ideaness. Okay, it is overall a good movie for to watch for family, or it is giving the idea of that how one can survive in a so and so situation. Like that evaluation you have to give. So when we want to write a movie review, just go for the information, title of the movie, director, cast, and the co-artist, whatever it is. Describe that, the people, the plot, the theme of the movie. And analyze means what is the things adds value and where it is got lost, and engagement. Evaluation means overall your opinion on that movie. This is going to be a complete idea of the movie review. We want to movie review, right? So movie review will be given like that. So let us go with the review of a book. Okay, you have given such what is review writing and explain the structure of a film review. So you have to take the movie and structure of, as I mentioned, IDEA, and explain the structure of a book review, and review classic work of literature introducing young readers. So you have to read a literature book and you have to give the review of that. And next we'll be talking about book review. Book review, it is title, introduction, and next describe, and next analyze and evaluate. So introduction part, you have to write the title of the book, and next describe means you have to write how many characters are there, what are the characters deal with the things, and you have to give that the real essence of that book and what it is having actually, exactly what it serves actually. And next evaluate, what are the things are there in the book to learn, and you have to give the summary of that book. You have to brief that main points of the book, and you have to give analyzation of that. It's same like that movie review you have to write, but you have to add summary, extra point. Summary in the sense the briefing the points is very important. Okay, so with this we have completed all the grammar part of review writing and review writing of a film review and the book review. Then move on.